Hello everyone, welcome to CRM Product Design Essentials. In the previous lesson, we discussed the analysis of departments, roles, and core processes. Core process refers to the fundamental business activities or workflows within an organization that are directly related to its core objectives and value creation. These core processes are crucial for the operation and success of the organization. After analyzing the departments, roles, and core processes, we need to produce core process diagrams. The core processes of a typical CRM system can be summarized as follows. Marketing: this is the initial stage where marketing activities are carried out to attract potential customers. It involves strategies such as advertising, content creation, social media marketing, and lead generation. Leads: once the marketing efforts generate interest, leads are generated. Leads are individuals or companies who have shown interest in the products or services offered. These leads can be obtained through various channels such as website forms, email campaigns, or events. Customers: the next step is to convert leads into customers. In a CRM system, customer information is typically obtained through sales representatives who interact with customers directly. When a sales representative interacts with a customer, they collect various details such as contact information, purchase history, preferences, and any other relevant data. This information is then manually entered into the CRM system to create or update the customer's profile. Opportunities: once a customer is created, there may be opportunities for selling products or services. These opportunities can be identified through customer interactions, data analysis, or specific triggers such as contract renewals or product upgrades. In a CRM system, opportunities for selling products or services to existing customers can be identified through customer interactions, data analysis, and triggers like contract renewals or product upgrades. For example, when a customer's contract renewal date approaches, the CRM system can alert the sales representative to reach out and discuss potential upsell or cross-sell opportunities based on the customer's usage data. This helps maximize revenue and strengthen customer relationships. Orders: when an opportunity is identified, the customer may place an order for the additional products or services. This involves the process of order management, including order placement, fulfillment, and delivery. Contracts: once the customer expresses the intent to make a purchase, the process of creating and managing contracts comes into play. This involves drafting and finalizing the terms and conditions of the agreement, including pricing, delivery schedules, and any specific terms related to the products or services being purchased. Payments: the process of tracking and managing the incoming payments from customers for products or services provided by a company. The CRM system helps to record and monitor the status of these payments, ensuring accurate and timely tracking of the revenue generated by the business. Invoices: after the products or services are delivered, the company generates and sends invoices to the customer for payment. Provides product or service: after the customer pays the order, the company will provide products and services to the customer. This process involves maintaining accurate records of customer purchases, supporting cross-selling and upselling opportunities, and enabling effective customer relationship management. It is important to note that every company's situation is different. For example, some companies may not have customers and go directly from leads to placing orders. Other companies may not have opportunities and only have customers. This requires designing according to the specific circumstances of each company. After drawing the core process diagram, we can use it as a basis to produce the functional architecture diagram. A functional architecture diagram is a visual representation of the functional components and their interactions within a system or product. It illustrates how different functions and modules work together to achieve the overall objectives of the system. The purpose of a functional architecture diagram is to provide a clear and comprehensive overview of the system's functionality, helping stakeholders understand the system's structure and behavior. What you see on the screen is a typical CRM product architecture diagram. The title on the left is Modules, and the items on the right represent feature sets. A module is a larger part of the product that contains several related features, while a feature set is a group of specific features that work together to provide a certain capability. Modules are like big containers, and feature sets are like smaller boxes inside the big containers. For example, Sales Pipeline Management module includes leads, opportunities, customers, and sales automation feature set. With this diagram, stakeholders can understand the CRM system's design and capabilities, enabling them to have a consistent understanding of the product. Once the business process diagram is completed, you can proceed with creating the product architecture and functionality diagram. Since product development cannot be completed in a single phase, we can divide the above functional architecture into different releases. Each release phase represents a stage in the product development process, typically encompassing specific features or enhancements. What you see on the screen is a typical release view of the architecture of a CRM system. When creating the release plan, we should prioritize the product features. We should first implement the most essential MVP features and then gradually expand to more functionalities. Once the product's functional architecture and release phases have been determined, we can create its roadmap. The roadmap will outline the planned development and release schedule for the product, providing a strategic overview of its future direction and milestones. It will also help align stakeholders and communicate the product's development plans to the broader team and other relevant parties. What you see on the screen is a typical product roadmap for a CRM system. It includes the features to be completed and the timeline. After drawing the functional architecture diagram and product roadmap, we can output functional architecture diagrams based on them. A feature list is a comprehensive inventory of the functionalities and capabilities that a product or service offers. It serves as a reference for the development team, providing a clear outline of the features to be included in the product. The feature list also helps stakeholders understand the scope of the product and can be used to prioritize and track the implementation of specific features throughout the development process. The diagram above represents the feature list for the initial release of our product development. It encompasses the essential features for the product's MVP and constitutes the core functionalities of the CRM product. Let me introduce the meaning of the table headers. The module and feature set have been explained earlier, so I won't introduce them again. Feature ID. This is a unique identifier for each feature, allowing for easy reference and tracking. In general, for larger projects, adding a feature ID can facilitate searching. Feature. You can use clear and concise language to describe the feature. Feature description. This can be used to briefly describe the list of functions in 1 or 2 sentences, allowing relevant personnel to understand. Priority. This indicates the level of importance or urgency assigned to each feature, guiding the sequence of implementation and resource allocation. Source of requirement. It specifies where the requirement for the feature originated from, whether it's from user feedback, stakeholder input, market research, or other sources. Status. It tracks the current status of each feature, indicating whether it's in progress, completed, on hold, or in any other state. Responsible party. Here, the individual or team responsible for implementing or overseeing the feature is identified, ensuring clear accountability. Expected delivery date. It outlines the anticipated timeline for delivering the feature, helping to manage expectations and plan resources effectively. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.